This is a Lekki roundabout, Ibeju Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. This Atlantic Ocean you are seeing right here is a Lekki Beach Resort. Over here is Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, and this is a Lekki axis. We'll be taking a tour to see the progress development on a Lekki Beach Road, Ibeju Lekki. This same road will take you from a Lekki roundabout all the way to a Lekki junction, where you have LekkiEpe Expressway. If you are coming from Lekki Phase 1, Victoria Island, or even mainland to this direction, you are coming through a Lekki junction, and that will take you to a Lekki roundabout. At a Lekki roundabout, if you take to your left direction, you are heading towards Dangote Refinery, Lekki Deep Sea Port, Lekki Free Trade Zone, and several other developments on that axis down to Lakapine Tropicana Beach Resort. But if you take to your right hand corner, you'll be heading back towards Solo Alade, where you have the previous Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway alignment that currently be realigned. So if you have not seen this video before, I've done this video before, all I'm doing today is to show you the progress development happening on this road construction. On this same road, you have estate like Amen Estate Phase 1, Amen Estate Phase 2, Jennifer's Garden Phase 1, owned by Funke Akindele Bello, and Jennifer's Garden Phase 2. So if you are looking for investment with a close proximity to Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, consider either Amen Estate Phase 2, of course Amen Estate Phase 1 is sold out, or Jennifer's Garden Phase 2, which is less than 2 minutes away from Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, or Jennifer's Garden 1.0, which is the Phase 1. Guys, all I came to do this hour is to show you the progress development, what is going on with this road construction right on this screen today. If you are new to my channel, please use this opportunity to subscribe to my channel, stay connected, and you will be getting updates regarding real estate development, real estate investment opportunity, where you should consider invest your hard-earned money for high return on investment. We've done it in Capital Garden City Estate, we've done it in Amen Estate Phase 3, we've done it in Terra Estate Ibeju Lekki. A lot of people are making good money out of real estate investment right here in Lagos, Nigeria. And with all these road connections, accessibility in Ibeju Lekki will skyrocket all the projects, all the property within this location. Do not forget, apart from the Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway road construction and LekkiEpe Expressway road expansion that is currently ongoing, Lagos State Government just announced the construction of railway from Victoria Island all the way through Lekki Phase 1 down to Aja. That's to tell you traffic congestion is completely tackled in Lagos in the year 2025. Guys, if your in-laws, your brothers, your uncle, your cousin is telling you that Ibeju Lekki is far, and you are there in diaspora, you are there in Canada, you are there in UK, in US, wherever country you are, please do not pay attention to them. You might end up coming back to this country and be squatting in their own house. Take action. Do your verification. If anybody show you property, be sure Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway is not interfering with the property. Be sure that the estate has good title, and do your thorough due diligence before you commit your hard-earned money. Money is not easy to make anywhere, and that is why you have to be very conscious when spending the money. Guys, I don't want to bore you with too many information. We are driving within Amen Estate Phase 1. That is the gate you are seeing by your right hand corner on this screen, and we are very close to a Lekki junction at this point. If you've come this far with me on this tour, Please leave a comment. Your observation is highly appreciated. I look forward to see you again in my next video. Expect Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway, a comprehensive video tour from Lekki roundabout, and on that tour I'll be showing you some property that in one way or the other is being affected by Lagos to Calabar Coastal Highway road project. I look forward to see you again in my next video. Stay tuned and stay connected on this channel. Bye for now and enjoy the rest of the view.
For you, let the sound flow. Shabba